Yeah, that's soft enough. You can pour it in. Do you see? We did. Wow. So moist. So I love that word. It's gonna help. Hey. It's starting off where we left off. That's really cool. Oh, good. Yeah. Very milk. I feel like it is.
It looks pretty even to me.
Oh. See the recording button? Yeah. These are our cookies.
Alright, so we're here in my kitchen and we're going to be making some homemade chocolate chip cookies.
Let's get started. So first we gotta heat the oven to 375. Here comes. As you can see, it's not actually reaching our batter.
But you know what they say, modern problems require modern solutions. Now that is some good mixing. Alright, now we need to take the bowl out, so I actually don't know how to do this, so you know, so. Done. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. So we need to wait about 12 minutes, so we're gonna get waiting.
So it's time to check on our cookie and see how it turned out.
I think it looks pretty good.
It looks pretty good. Be careful, it's kind of hot though.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Looks like our holiday cookie is complete.
Hello everybody, my name is Mrs. Cassola here at Bonita High School. Today we're going to be judging cookies. You might be thinking, why is Miss Cassola doing this? Well, as you can tell, I obviously know a lot about cookies. And my family likes to bake Christmas cookies every year. We made 37 dozen of like 6 different cookies last year. So I'm a pretty big cookie expert. So let's take a look at this one first. I already like the Snapware. This one has a lot of holiday cheer in it. Maybe a little too much. Let's try it. It's soft. Very good cookie. Alright, moving on. So I did not receive holiday cookies in this one. It's just holiday cookie. So we do have one giant cookie with a bunch of little Yodas on it, but I do appreciate originality. Chocolate chip. Not a very Christmas style cookie though, but that is a really good cookie. I like that one. I'm gonna have to go with winner of Christmas cookie challenge is going to be the sugar cookies, because they are Christmas cookies. They are sugar cookies, which is a typical Christmas cookie, and it's not Star Wars. So I think that concludes the end of the cookie challenge, and that's it. Bye.